In the previous video, we demonstrated how to add a new shield to all Excel files in the directory. Let's run it again. As you can see, this time it's failed. And this is because we have already added the sheets. So what we need to do, we need to check if the sheet exists within the Excel file. And we have a special action for it. Yeah, here it is. So we just insert it here. And if it does not exist, we'll add it. And if it is exists, we just carry on to a loop. So let's some properties. Again, it is exactly the same. So we need to set the file name, and it is a variable. And we need to set bananas as well. See, it's rather easy. Let's run it again. As you can see, we have not added any sheets to the Excel files. Let's go to the folder and delete some bananas. Delete this one. Save it. Run it again. And this time, we actually edit one of them. Okay, as you can see, that was very easy. If you need any help working with Excel files, because our software can do a lot with Excel files, just head up to support forum, and we will do our best to help. And again, as usual, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.